Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Iroha Natsume. Code ADN 547. Released on April 2, 2024. And it has 120 minutes watch time. The story's about female supervisor and her subordinate. After her divorce, the girl works day and night to pay her son's expenses. So after a years of working hard, the girl promoted and became a supervisor at the company. So later that night, they celebrated. Afterwards, they had a couple of drinks. The guy got drunk, so the guy fall asleep at the girl apartment. However, while they are at the girl apartment, things went out of control. They spent quality time together and the wonderful story begun.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.